फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम करने वाले हैं कंप्लीट फॉर्मूला रिवीजन ऑफ चैप्टर रोटेशनल डायनामिक फॉर क्लास 12th प्लस एमएसटी सीटी. सो लेट्स बिगिन. फर्स्ट वन इज इन यूसीएम यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ओमेगा. ओमेगा is equals to v by r, that is equals to theta by t, that is equals to 2 pi n, and also it is equals to 2 pi by t, where n is frequency, also n is equals to 1 by t, where t is motion of period. Next one is angular displacement theta. Theta is equals to omega into t, that is equals to 2 pi small t upon capital T, that is equals to 2 pi n into small t, where small t is time and capital T is period of the motion. Okay. And next one is angular acceleration alpha. Alpha is equals to omega 2 minus omega 1 upon t, that is equals to 2 pi t into n2 minus n1, where omega 2 is final angular velocity, omega 1 is initial angular velocity, and n2 is final frequency and n1 is initial frequency. Next one is linear velocity v. V is equals to r into omega, that is equals to 2 pi rn, and it is also equals to 2 pi r upon t, where n is frequency. Next one is centripetal or radial acceleration A. A is equals to v square by r, that is equals to omega square into r. Next one is tangential acceleration. Tangential acceleration is a cross product of alpha and r. Next one is centripetal force. Centripetal force Fc is equals to mv square by r, that is equals to mr omega square, and also it is equals to 4 pi square mr into n square, and also mu into m into g, and it is also equals to m into v into omega. Next one is centrifugal force. Centrifugal force is the same as a centripetal force but in the magnitude, and it has opposite direction. Next one is maximum speed. Vmax is equals to mu under root of mu s into r into g, where mu s is coefficient of static friction. Okay. Next one is minimum speed. Minimum speed is equals to under root rg upon mu s. Okay. Next one is normal reaction. N is equals to mv square by r, that is equals to mr omega square. Okay. Next one is most safe speed. Vs is equals to under root of rg tan theta. And next one is angle of banking theta. Theta is equals to tan inverse v square by rg. And next one is maximum possible speed. Maximum possible speed is Vmax, that is equals to under root of rg into tan theta plus mu s upon 1 minus mu s tan. Okay. Next one is minimum possible speed. Minimum possible speed, that is v minimum, that is equals to under root of rg tan theta minus mu s upon 1 plus mu s tan theta. Next one is for conical pendulum. Conical pendulum angular velocity omega is equals to under root of g upon l cos theta. Okay, where l cos theta is the height. And second one is period t, that is equals to 2 pi under root of l cos theta upon g. Next one is vertical circular motion. Vertical circular motion, in this we have two cases. First one is a mass tied to a string, in which velocity at a position is equals to under root rg, and velocity at b, that is equals to under root phi rg. And next one is a velocity at c position and velocity at d position, which is same, that is equals to under root 3 rg. Next one is a tension at a. Tension at a is equals to mva, velocity at a ka square upon r minus mg. Next one is tension at b. Tension at b is mvb का square upon r plus mg. Okay. Next one is tension at B minus tension at A. The difference between this is 6 mg. Case 2 is mass tied to a rod. If mass is tied to a rod, then V lowest most minimum is 2 under root Rg, and V minimum at the rod horizontal position, that is equals to under root 2 Rg. And tension at lower most minus tension at uppermost has a difference is 6 mg. Okay. Next one is moment of inertia. Moment of inertia is I. It is denoted by I, and it is summation of all the masses, all the mass particle from I to n, mi into ri the whole square. Okay. And it is an integration of dm. Dm is a smallest symmetric part, and into r square. Next one is radius of gyration, k. K is equals to under root of I upon m. Next one is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equals to half I, where I is moment of inertia and omega square. That is equals to half I into 2 pi n the whole square. Next one is kinetic energy rotational. Translational kinetic energy. That is equals to half into m into v the whole square. Next one is rolling kinetic energy. That is equals to half into mv square plus I omega square. That is equals to half mv square in bracket 1 plus k square upon r square. Next one is theorem of parallel axis. IO is equals to IC plus MH square. Okay. Next one is theorem of perpendicular axis. That is equals to IZ is equals to IX plus IY. Okay. Next one is angular momentum. L. L is equals to I into omega. That is equals to I into 2 pi n. Okay. Next one is L in vector form. It angular momentum is cross product of r and linear momentum p. Okay. Next one is torque. It is denoted by tau, that is equals to I into alpha, and also equals to dl by dt. Next one is conservation of angular momentum. That is equals to, in first one, I1 omega 1, that is equals to I2 omega 2. That is I into omega is constant, and second one is I into n, that is equals to constant. That means I1 n1 is equals to I2 n2, where n is frequency. Simple. And velocity of rolling body. Velocity of rolling body V is equals to under root of 2gh upon 1 plus k square by r square. Next one is acceleration of rolling body. That is equals to A. A is equals to g sin theta upon 1 plus k square upon r square. Next one is analogous quantities between translational and rotational motion. This is a translation motion, and it is a rotational motion. In a linear displacement, it is denoted by s, and angular displacement denoted by theta. And same as linear velocity v and angular velocity omega, and also linear acceleration alpha, linear acceleration a, and angular acceleration alpha. And inertia or mass, it is denoted by m, and rotational inertia or moment of inertia is denoted by I. Same as this linear momentum p is equals to mv, and angular momentum is equals to L is equals to I into omega. Same as force F is equals to dp by dt, and torque in the rotational motion it becomes torque, and tau is equals to dl by dt. And work is equals to W is equals to F dot S. It is a dot product of force and displacement, and work in the rotational motion is tau dot theta. Okay. And power is equals to P is equals to dW by dt. That is equals to dot product of force and velocity, and in rotational motion it became the dw by dt, that is equals to tau dot omega. And next one is a moment of inertia for some symmetric objects. There are some symmetric objects which moment of inertia are given. You can learn from there. Okay, these are solid sphere, from center it is 2 by 5 mr square, and so on. You can learn from there. Thank you for watching this video till the end. You can download the PDF from our Telegram group. I will give the link of Telegram group in the description. You can go and check out from there.